Welcome to day number 20 of our 28-day challenge in chair yoga plus seated Tai Chi, Qigong, and Breathwork. Today we're going to do a modified version of Sinew Metamorphis. So this is connective tissue changing, stretching our fascia. These make a nice chair break if you're seated at work. So if you just drop your hands, flick off some stress, and then if we just engage our core just a little bit, because we're stretching this whole body suit. So I'm just lifting my fingers up, but I'm pressing with the heel of my palm goes down a little bit. So fingertips go up, palm goes down. Inhale, do the stretch, then exhale, release. Breathing in, breathing out. It's like you're tapping on the ground. Coil up, stretch, inhale, and then tap with the release. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Lifting the fingers, tapping on the ground. Lifting the fingers, tapping on the ground. And then it's like we're a tree growing roots. The fingertips are the roots. So the whole hand spreads and grows, but down into the ground. Engaging the pelvic floor slightly. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in and grow roots. Exhale. Relax with a sigh of relief. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. If there's some stress, you're shaking off any stress. Inhale. Exhale. Unwinding. Inhale. Exhale. Closing your eyes. If you feel safe, breathing in. Breathing out. Now, like we're tying a belt, like on a bathrobe, we tie a belt. Or if you're in judo or jujitsu or karate, those type of belts where you cinch them tight. So we tie, we've got our fist, and they're just loose fist, but we grip and pull down. From our center, in front of our belly, where we've tied our belt, down and out. Inhale. Engage the pelvic floor as we stretch out. Ha sound, sigh of relief, as relax. Breathing in, breathing out and relaxing. Breathing in, breathing out and relaxing. One more time. Now let's bring that motion up a little bit. Like we've got bamboo bars that we're breaking free. So we're pulling those apart at chest level. And then we relax. And the hands come back in. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Lifting the pelvic floor as you breathe in. And breathe out. Relax. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Now up to eye level. Like we've got our fists and we're drying our eyes. Rubbing our eyes, rotating, pulling down, elbows out, inhaling, lifting the pelvic floor for the stretch, and then releasing the stretch and exhaling. Inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. These are relaxed stretches. These aren't like isometrics. There's a tiny isometric type feel, mainly to the lifting of the pelvic floor, but this is stretching the whole body suit. Some simple stretches of the bodysuit of our fascia, lifting the palms up to chest level, like we're holding the moon in one hand and the sun in the other hand, lifting sun and moon at chest level. And what we're doing is the elbows are back, and we're going to move the hands apart a little bit and open the chest for that stretch. And then release the tension. Inhale, stretching, exhale, release, ha sound. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Now we can bring our hands up and we can extend them to the side like we're holding sun and moon out here. We're holding something out. And then we can extend our arms and stretch to the side for this stretch. And then we can relax, ha sound. Inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. We can do that same stretch to the front, lifting sun and moon, stretching out like I'm offering, and just extending it to you. I'm not standing close enough, I extend. And then pull back. Stretch. Relax. Inhale. Exhale. Ah sound. Sigh of relief. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Same type of stretch, different direction, straight up. So if we go, inhale. Exhale. Inhale and stretch straight up. Exhale. Relax. Breathing in, even lifting the pelvic floor. And then relax. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. One of the most prescribed exercises as we get older is sit, stand. Standing, sitting, standing, sitting. So let's do that with this exercise. As we reach up, grab, and we pull ourselves up. Inhale, just to here. So our knees are just still bent. Exhale, sit back down. Inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. When you stand, lift that pelvic floor too, and then relax down. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. That's all I've got for today. Thanks for joining me.